We lost a gem of a person today, or Dogri poet laureate Padma Sachdev. She was unwell for some time and was reported dead this morning. The 81-year-old poet was Padma Shri for her contributions to Hindi and Dogri. She was an Indian poet and novelist. She was the first modern woman poet of the Dogri language. She also wrote Hindi. She has published several poetry collections including Meri Kavita Mere Geet, which won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1971. Padma Sachdev loved her mother tongue to the extent of passion. Her contributions in taking Dogri language, Dogri literature to the Dogri culture to every nook and corner of the world has been commendable. In the struggle for inclusion of Dogri in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, she always walked shoulder to shoulder. She did her literary journey with poetry, but wrote a lot in almost every genre from story, novel, autobiography, translation. Her only aim was to take Dogri to the summit. People of Jammu always got the love of elder sister from her. She is also called Dogri's first modern poet. She has also received the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award in 2001, and the Kabir Samman Poetry for the year 2007 to 2008 given by Government of Madhya Pradesh. Sachdev worked in All India Radio Jammu as an announcer since 1961. She wrote the lyrics of the song Mera Chota Sa Ghar Baar from the 1973 Hindi film by Ved Rahi Prem Parbat, which had music by Jaidev. Thereafter, she wrote the lyrics of the two songs of the 1978 Hindi film Aankhein Dekhi, which had the music by J.P. Kaushik, including the famous duet Sona Re Tujhe Kaise Milu, sung by Mohammad Rafi and Sulakshana Pandit. Author and poet Padma Sachdev's autobiography Chit Chete, written in Dogri language, has been selected for the prestigious Saraswati Samman for 2015. In 2017, she was also conferred with the Dinubai Pant Lifetime Achievement Award. Some of the famous books written by her are Meri Kavita Mere Geet in 1969, Tavite Chanan in 1976, Neriyan Gallan in 1982, Pota Pota Nimbal in 1987, Uttar Vahini in 1992, Tenthyan in 1997, and many more. She was also honored with many awards such as Dinubai Pant Lifetime Achievement Award 2017 by DB Pant Memorial Trust Jammu J&K, Krutitva Samagra Samman 2015 by Bharatiya Bhasha Parishad in West Bengal, Saraswati Samman 2015 for her autobiography Chit Chete in Dogri language, Padma Shri Award in 2001, Sahitya Academy Award 1971, Kabir Samman for poetry in 2007 to 2008, Diwan Khana for interviews and Chit Chete memoirs, and many more. There will hardly be any literary or cultural organization in Jammu that has not honored her. On hearing the news of her death, there is a wave of mourning in the literature and art world of Jammu. Lata Mangeshkar has also sung Dogri songs written by her. On her behest, Lata Mangeshkar sang some songs of Dogri which are the identity of Dogri culture today. Many leaders and political parties also tweeted and paid tribute to them.